Let's begin exercise 12.3 today. Multiplication and division of algebraic expression. How to multiply and how to divide two algebraic expression. Okay. Suppose this expression we have to multiply with this. So how we will multiply with this? Let's see. We will write this is small one this side. Okay. And this one this side. It will be easy to multiply. Now 3, first of all we will multiply the numeric value. 3 3s are 9. First of all multiply the sign. This is in minus, this full term is in plus. So minus plus minus. Then numeric value. 3 3s are 9. Now like variables, x into x, x square. Now y into y, y square. This is the way you have to multiply. Now next, minus plus, because we will multiply this one with this also and with this also. Okay. Now minus minus plus. Now multiply the numeric value. 7 3s are 21. Now x into x square, we will get x cube, because 2 plus 1 3. Y into y square, we will get y cube. 2 plus 1, there is 1 time only y, there is 2 time y. So 2 plus 1 3 time. Okay. Now minus plus minus. 3 5s are 15. X into x cube. X into x cube, 3 times plus 1 time. We will get here 4 times. Okay. Y, and there is no y. So we will write down this y only. This is the way of multiplication of term wise. Now division, how to divide? This is the answer, or if any like term will be available, then you can add it also. But we can see that there is no like term. So this will be the answer. Now divide. How to divide two algebraic expression? So we will first of all write it in division form. 5a square b square minus 12ab cube divided by minus 3ab square. Okay. Now do not cancel out directly like this, because these all terms are in plus or minus. So we have to write this division separately. How? 3ab divided by minus 3ab square. There is a plus sign, we will write plus. 15a square b square divided by minus 3ab square. This will be divided with each and every, this will divide each and every term. So we will write separately. Minus 12ab cube divided by this one, minus 3ab square. Okay. Now you can cancel out. 3 3 you can cancel. A, there is 2b, means b square. There is 2 times b. So there is 1 time. So 1 and 1 will get cancelled, but 1b will left here. 1 by minus b. This minus sign also. Be careful with the sign. Now plus. 3 5s are 15. First of all we will cancel out the numeric value. Then a 1 time, here is a 2 times. So 1 time a will left here, 5a, and b here 2 times, here also b square. So b square we will cancel. But there is nothing down, but there is a sign of minus. So we will write this sign of minus in bracket. Now this minus and minus directly also you can write plus, or later on also. 3 4s are 12. A will get cancelled. Here is b square, here is b cube. So 1 time b will left here. Okay, but there is a sign of minus. So this sign of minus will be remain here. Now minus, and above there is plus. Minus plus minus 1 by b. This minus you can write up. Minus 1 by b plus minus minus 5a minus minus plus 4b. This will be the answer. Okay. This is the way to divide. Now we will see some questions of exercise. Look at here, exercise 12.3, question number 1. Multiply this expression. Okay. So multiply 9a by 3. How we will multiply? This is simple. 9a into 3. Numeric value 9 3s are 27 and a. This is the answer. Question number F, 2a square by 14xy square. We have to multiply this 2. 14xy square. Okay. Then first numerical way, 14 2s are 28. Now variable a square, there is no a square, so a square will be remain as it is. Xy square will also be remain as it is. Okay, this is the answer. Now question number 1, 1a and f I have done. Rest of the question you can do. Question number 2, simplify the following. It's a number, just see. Question number 2, a number, 3x into 2x square plus 5xy. Look at here how to multiply. 3x we will multiply with this also. There is a plus sign, that's why we will multiply this 3x with both. So how? 3x plus 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 3x into 2x square plus 3x into 5xy with both. 3 2s are 6, x into x square, x cube, plus 3 5s are 15, x into x, x square, y. Okay, it's also b number also, just see b number. Question is minus 4 a square b, 5ab plus 3a square minus b square. Multiply this, minus plus minus, so minus 4a square b into, first of all write down like this, then plus minus 4a square b into 3a square plus minus 4a square b into minus b square, because it has minus sign. Okay, now minus plus minus, 4 5s are 20a square, a square into a we will get a cube, b into b, b square. Okay, now plus minus minus, 4 3 ja 12, a square into a square we will get a to the power 4, 2 plus 2 4. Okay, and b will be as it is. Now plus minus minus what? Plus, so its sign will be plus only. 4 a square b cube, because b square and b here one time, 2 plus 1 3 times. Okay, this is the way you can multiply. A cube a square, there is no like term, so you will not add, it will be remain like this. Now question number 3, evaluate the following. This one, this one, this one. Question number 3, look at here. How to multiply this 2? We will multiply this a with both this, a and b, and then again we will multiply this b with both of this. How? A into a plus 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 a square. Now this a we will multiply with this b also, plus and minus minus, a into b, ab. This a we have multiplied with this 2. Now this b we are going to multiply with this 2. Plus plus plus, a into b, ab, plus minus minus, b into b, b square. Always multiply the sign first. Okay, now a square, this ab in plus and this ab in minus, so plus minus will get cancelled, a square minus b square will be the answer. Okay, similarly this one, a plus b, a minus b, a square. First of all you will multiply this 2 as I have done like this. Okay, whatever the answer will come, then you will multiply the answer with this. Similarly there is 4 terms, so you will multiply this 2 first, whatever the answer will come you will multiply with this, and then again whatever the answer will come you will multiply with this. Okay, stepwise you will do. Now 4 number, divide. You will divide this by this, as I have told you, division 3ab by 4ab. Okay, or we will discuss 4 5 6 in the next video. Till then complete up to question number 3.